In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Copilot for free with a few simple steps. This is a great opportunity if you're interested in exploring Microsoft 365 services without a long-term commitment. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Office portal. Once you're there, make your way over to Word within the Microsoft 365 suite. This is where you'll access the M365 Copilot option. This service offers robust AI-powered assistance to enhance your productivity, and it's an essential tool for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. Next, look for the Buy Microsoft 365 option. Although we're aiming for the free version, this step is necessary as it leads us toward the free trial you're interested in. By clicking on this option, you'll be taken to an overview of the different plans that Microsoft offers. Now, proceed to click on See Business Plans. This is essential as it will help you explore available trial options rather than individual subscriptions. The business plans often come with more features, and a trial will give you full access temporarily so you can evaluate if it suits your needs. Then click on the Try for Free button. The free trial typically spans 1 month, giving you a significant amount of time to test out all the features, see how Copilot can enhance your daily tasks. Before proceeding, you'll need to choose your plan. Rest assured, you can cancel at any time, so you're not locked into anything you don't want to continue after your trial. This flexibility allows you to use the service without the stress of unwanted charges. Up next is a simple step. Click on Next. This will proceed with the sign-up process. You will now be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's an active one, as it will be used for confirmations and further instructions on your free trial. After entering your email, click Next again. You'll then need to solve a small puzzle. This step is designed for security purposes, ensuring that the sign-up process is being carried out by a real person. Once you've solved the puzzle, click Submit. This confirms your email details and progresses your account setup. Following that, you'll need to set up your account. Click on the corresponding button, and this will take you to a form that you'll need to fill out. Complete the form with your relevant information. Ensure that all details are accurate, as this will become your main account for engaging with Microsoft services during your trial period. And that's it. You're now set up to enjoy your free trial of Copilot and Microsoft 365. Make sure to mark the end date on your calendar if you plan on opting out after your trial. Enjoy exploring the revolutionary features that Copilot has to offer during this period.